How to use ChatGPT to generate YouTube scripts quickly. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate YouTube scripts quickly. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're on the site, sign in with your account. After you're logged in, you'll see a clean chat window where you can start typing your prompts. Now, to generate a YouTube script, simply tell ChatGPT what type of video you want to create. For example, type something like, write a YouTube tutorial script on how to edit photos on mobile. ChatGPT will instantly create a full script for you in a few seconds. To make your script more accurate, add details in your prompt. You can mention your tone, your intro, your outro, and even your video length. For example, write the script in a friendly tone, include my custom intro, and keep it under 1 minute. The more details you give, the better the script becomes. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite your script in your style, make it shorter, or expand it with more steps. Just type commands like, make it longer, rewrite in my YouTube style, or turn this into a 10-step tutorial. If you want multiple versions, just ask ChatGPT to generate different styles like professional, casual, funny, or fast-paced. You can choose whichever fits your channel. ChatGPT can also help you write YouTube titles, descriptions, tags, hooks, and thumbnail text. This saves a lot of time, especially if you upload videos regularly. Once you're happy with your script, simply copy it and paste it into your notes, editing software, or teleprompter app. And you're ready to record. That's all for the video.